And good morning, good evening, good afternoon. The Marsh. Hello, boss, and etc. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, and this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way, everybody. Also, never forget that you're going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Sorry about that. Everybody give me a second. Those are one of my gang, right? Alright, everybody, just quickly to remember you what is happening in April. So this Saturday we have the basket trading workshop with the US dollar index. Saturday 22 of April we have how to build a strategy that works for you, and Saturday 29th we have 7 habit building secrets on how to become a professional trader. Alright, so this is one. And in May we have the Fibonacci Mastery course. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 Saturdays if you want to learn faster, okay? But you're going to learn about the Fibonacci's in here in the Forex course 101 for free. Alright, hello Ernesto, how are you? This is... Oh, hello Lynn, Marshall, how are you? Alright, everybody. For questions and homeworks, you have the email and business, any classes, we're using mostly Skype, Zoom too, by the way. And you can follow us on youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX and Instagram, a little bit of my personal life, a little bit, not too much, hopefully. It's privacy, it's FXPassion_freedom. Michael, do I have chance to pay for the strategy till the next week? Sure. Yes, you do. Sure, Ernesto. Absolutely. I'm working around to collecting the money. Sure, absolutely. No problem, everybody. Alright. And today we're going to talk about bearish candlestick formations. One more time, everybody, this is not mine. I found this picture a few years ago on the internet. Alright, and today we are going to talk about, let's open classes, and today we are going to talk about scalping, short-term scalping. And remember, in the future you are going to have a class, it's going to be called What is Your Strategy, right? Okay, so clone chart and out this one, and we're going to go NZD-CAD, just an example, NZD-CAD, and we're going to go to the NZD-CAD, we're going to go to the weekly chart, and then we're going to go clone chart, GBP, USD, we are going to go on the 15-minute chart. Alright, everybody, so today we are going to talk about vocabulary. Today we are going to talk about short-term scalping. Okay, so what is short-term scalping? So it's buying slash, one more time, buying slash selling. CF stands candlestick formations on the 1 minute / 5 minute / 15 minute chart. All the other higher time frames are not scalping anymore. Oh yes, but I don't want to hear yes but. Alright, everybody. Short-term scalping, typo here, scalping, Short-term scalping, buying, selling candlestick formation on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute chart. All the other higher time frames are not scalping anymore, right? Okay? Don't come to class telling me, oh, I'm scalping the daily candlestick. You are not, this is not scalping anymore. Make sense, everybody? Alright? Oh, boss, but the unicorn guy on YouTube. Follow the institutional traders. Follow the institutional traders, you know, follow the investment banks. Follow the hedge funds, not Gianpaolo from the garage. Make sense, everybody? You know, Gianpaolo is scalping the daily candle. Alright? And the next one is going to be long-term trading slash investing, right? Okay, so it goes buying slash selling candlestick formation on the monthly slash weekly chart. All right, long-term trading, investing, so it's buying, selling candlestick formation on the monthly chart. Short-term scalping. My honorable, great, thank you. I'm not that powerful, believe me. Honorable, I accept, but powerful, maybe not. You know. All right, everybody. Now, NZD weekly chart, right? Okay, so do we agree, everybody, that back in time, you know, back in time, it doesn't really matter, or we are looking at the first circle, or we are looking at the second circle, or we are looking at the third circle, or we are looking at the fourth circle. Do we agree, everybody, that the market hit the upper band? Do we agree? Everybody, do we agree that the market hit the upper band once, twice, you know, 3 times? And remember, this lesson today, it's connected to the lesson, it's going to come, it's called What is Your Strategy? Alright, do we agree that NZD CAD wise, weekly chart, the market hit the upper band, you know, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times? Alright? Do we agree? Yes, alright, very good. So now I'm going to delete this one, right? Okay. And let's say that I don't have the crystal ball, right? I don't have the crystal ball. And so the market hit the upper band the first time, you know. On the weekly chart, the market hit the upper band the first time, and then the market hit the upper band the second time. So I can clearly see that this is the upper band, agreed? Alright. Now, when the market hit the market for the third time, everybody, are those 1, 2, 3, is this, let me see, where is the, not this one, alright. Is this the, give me a second, so here, is the 1, 2, 3, white candle, blue candle, is this a bearish candlestick formation, everybody? Yes or no? One more time, oh, give me a second, 1, 2, 3, those 3, right? White, everybody, are those 3 candles, the 2 white and the third one, the blue, is this a bearish candlestick formation? Type in the chat, everybody, yes or no. You don't need to learn the names, bearish shooting star, you know, bearish evening star, bearish engulfing candle, bearish dark cloud cover, whatever. Shola says yes, alright, Broto says yes. Okay, so how we are going to trade this one? Okay, you are going to enter short you are going to enter short. So this is the weekly candle, is going to open Sunday night, Monday morning. For some of us is going to be Sunday night, for some of us is going to be Monday morning. We are going to open, we're going to sell the candlestick formation at the open, and we are going to put our stop loss, 50 or 100 pips above. Alright? Boss, why 50 and 100 are not 15? Because we are on a huge time frame, which is called the weekly chart. When we are checking candlestick, how many candles we are looking at minimum? You don't know? You don't know? Alright, everybody? This is theory, right? Alright, but as we talked about yesterday, you could have many candles in between too. So answer, Ernesto, we don't know. Okay, now trading candlestick formations, you go 1 for 1. Yes, but I don't want to hear yes, but I don't want to hear yes, but you go 1 for 1. Agreed, everybody? So you open the weekly candle, okay, Monday morning, Sunday night, and let's see what is going to happen. One went up. Remember, so why is this called long term? Because seen here, you've shorted the market in here, and 1 week passed and you are still in the market. Agreed, everybody? 1 week passed, the market went against you, against me, against us. We are still in a trade, right? The second week, so we are in a trade for 2 weeks, everybody. The third week, the fifth week, 6, 7, 8, bam. So it took us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks for the market to hit our take profit. Everybody, it took us 2 months, right? It took us 2 months for the market to hit the take profit. Do we agree, everybody? Does this make sense to you? This is why, oh, I'm scalping the daily. This is not scalping. Makes sense, everybody? Oh, I'm scalping the weekly. This is not scalping. It's going to take you 2 months. Agreed, everybody? Do you understand this? Alright? Do we agree that it took 7 weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It took us 7 weeks for the market to hit our take profit. Agreed, everybody? Alright? So, trading bullish and today it's bearish. Trading bearish candlestick formation, you go 1 for 1. Boss, can I trade bearish candlestick formation on any time frame? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. It's up to you. Okay? If you want, you can do this, right? And then let's see what happened. The market went down, 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 and it went back up, right? So, what now? We won the first one at the upper band, out, What is this one, the blue one, called? Is this a bearish candlestick formation, everybody? The market went back up to the upper band. Is this a bearish candlestick formation? What is this one called? What is this? Why is this one called? What is this one called? Right? Bearish engulfing, very good. So you don't see the future. You don't see the future. If your strategy is saying, all right, I'm going to enter the market down in here, and my stop loss it's up in here, The market opens, I'm going to go 1 for 1. Alright, I'm going to go 1 for 1, and 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7, 8, we were stopped out. See everybody? Loser. Alright, 8 weeks, bearish engulfing, very good. So we waited 7 weeks to make a profit. Now we waited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We waited 8 weeks again, 7 weeks to lose. Alright, the market going up. Now, is this a bearish candle or bearish candlestick formation? Maybe one more, right? 1, 2, 3, alright. You won one, you lost one. Do you want, who wants to enter in here, everybody? Who wants to enter shorting this bearish candlestick formation for the next 7 weeks? If you believe that this is a bearish candlestick formation, what could be this? So this could be the bearish shooting star. Agreed, everybody? Bearish shooting star. You know, you have a bullish candle, but in between you have an indecision bullish candle, and then you have the blue candle with the long tail on the upside, kind of small body, you know, but the next one it's white, it's pushing down. We learned about bearish pressure. Type in the chat who is going to, would you buy or sell this currency? Would you short this kind of bearish shooting star? Type in the chat, everybody, yes I would. Type in the chat, no I would not. Somebody posted an interesting question, not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform. Boss, can I stay out? If your strategy, hear me out, if your strategy has a rule that you are going to short bearish candlestick formations at the upper band, then no, you cannot stay out. Sorry boss, did we already check we are in a confirmed downtrend? Ernesto, you are confusing apples with bananas, everybody. Everybody, don't confuse trend trading. Ernesto, thank you very much for the question. Don't confuse trend trading and using candlestick formation as a timing tool with today, when we are talking about candlestick formations as a tradable pattern. Wow, right? Right, Ernesto? My bad, you know, as a teacher, my bad, fair enough. Don't confuse market wave trading or short-term trend trading and using candlestick formations for timing with today. Today it's a different topic. Make sense? Ernesto, short yes, lean, but our rule says don't trade bearish candlestick formation in an uptrend. So see everybody, you are mixing apples with bananas, right? No, I don't. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Lesson number 1. Who knows what is lesson number 1, everybody? Lesson number 1, Forex market structure. Now we are on so we are talking about shorting bearish candlestick formation on NZD weekly chart, and you are up in here, right? Forex course 101, lesson number 1, market structure. Alright, where do you see the uptrend? Yes, sell, yes, right. Lean and everybody else, if you see this uptrend, you know, and you are not going to short because you see this uptrend, you must go back to kindergarten, back to Dukascope YouTube webinar page and start to watch lesson number 1. What is market structure? You are mixing right now apples with bananas. Alright, fair enough? Yes, but there is no yes, but. There is no yes, but, everybody. This was one of the first rules about the Forex market. Once the market hits the upper band, or once the market hits the lower band, I don't care what, you must reverse your positions and go the other way. Remember? Remember, everybody? We checked all the major currency pairs and you've seen that the market is moving from the upper band to the lower band, from the lower band to the upper band. We're at the monthly band, exactly. When it hits upper band, pushes down. Alright, everybody? Pay attention not to mix apples with bananas. Pay attention not to mix pizza pepperoni with pizza margherita. Alright? Okay, so who in here want to short this one? Short as a short. Okay, everybody, so one more time, right? Stop loss above in here. I'm going to go 1 for 1. Right? And 1 week, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stopped out again. See? Right? We won 1 and now we lost 2. What about this one? Everybody, you lost the first one, you won the first one, you lost the second one, you lost the third one. Who wants to enter now in this one? 1, 2, 3. Alright. And give me a second. Out, 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 out. Alright. Is this a bearish candlestick formation, everybody? Now, most of retail traders get scared. Makes sense, everybody? Sorry, boss. You don't need to be sorry, everybody. Don't worry. Alright, we're here to learn. Most of traders, retail traders, get scared. Makes sense? When they see something like this, oh, this market is going to go up forever. We are at the monthly band. Boss, but we lost 2. I know. So when you lose 2, what are you going to do? Are you going to throw away? You are going to check for other currency pairs, or you are going to follow your strategy? Right? Clara, if you are here, or Julius, if you are here, Jordanka, if you are here, right? Boss, I lost 2. You must follow your strategy. Forex course 202, where 90% of world population it's not making it. Doctors, lawyers, movie stars, singers, pilots, quantum physics, pizza men, Uber driver, gardeners. 90% of world population it's losing money in the Forex market. And here is me telling you, you must continue to follow the rules of your strategy. And you are not doing it because you lost 2. Oh my gosh, I lost 2. Anyway, everybody, so this would be an example of the maybe bearish engulfing candle or bearish dark cloud cover, agreed? So let's see how this is going to go. And then we're going to go on the 50-minute chart. So 1 for 1, one more time. We won 1, we lost 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, right? Alright. 1, 2, lost 2, right? Agreed, everybody? 1, 2, 3. So here is again if you want, right? 1, 2, 3. This would be the stop loss. Okay, so this is long-term trading or long-term investing because you are waiting for a month, 2 months, you know. 1, 2, stopped out. 1, 2, 3. And now not sure about this one. Now this is one. And now 1 for 1. 1 for 1, right? Clone. 1 for 1 in here. Down, down, sideways. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Not sure about this one. Not sure about this one. Did it hit our take profit? Yes, it did. Right? And went back up again. And so on, and so on, and so on. That is the reason to manage risk the right way. Having 0.25 to 1 risk per position and up to 5% open. That is the reason to manage the risk the right way. Having 0.25 to 1% risk per position. Any up to 5. Thank you, Ernesto, but I don't understand what you're trying to say. Alright, everybody. Okay, so this is the this is the weekly chart. Now let's go on GBP USD 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Give it a second. Alright. Do we agree, everybody, that GBP USD was in a downtrend on the 15-minute chart, and then the market, oh, it's we're looking at down market anyways, right? So, all right, bearish candlestick formation today. All right, do we agree, everybody, that the market broke? Do we agree that the market broke the upper trend line back in time? This was what, April? So we're in April, everybody, and this is what we see on GBP USD 15-minute chart. Do we agree that the market broke the uptrend line and the market's making lower lows, lower highs? Do we agree? Everybody? Oh, alright, so here, now we are going to scalp bearish candlestick formations on the 15-minute chart. Boss, why are we doing this? For you to see and decide how are you going to use candlestick formations. You might decide for your strategy to use candlestick formations as a timing tool. You might put in your strategy that you are going to trade those candlestick formations as a pattern. Okay, some of you might be scalpers on the 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart max. You know, some of you might be swing traders, day traders, whatever may be the case. Alright, so we agree. Alright, what we're looking for? We're looking for bearish candlestick formations. Alright, so we agree that we're in a downtrend. 1, 2, 3. So is this, I'm going to delete the downtrend. Is this those two? 1, 2. Is this a bearish candlestick formation, everybody? Called the bearish dark cloud cover. You know, is the bearish candle more than 60% over the white candle? Alright, okay, alright, so same story, nothing special, nothing that difficult, right? So 15 pips above the stop loss, 1 for 1, 1 for 1, 1 for 1, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, winner, right? Next one, we're looking for the next one. We're looking for the next one, and now next retracement, market going up, 1, 2, 3. Is this a bearish candlestick formation? 1, 2, 3, those three. maybe, right, maybe, you know, maybe the bearish evening star, maybe, you know, or maybe the bearish shooting star, you know, kind of. This could be a bearish shooting star, right, everybody? White candle, body, but then you have a long tail on the bear side, bearish pressure. Agreed? Yes, cloud cover, alright. So, if this is the bearish candlestick formation, alright, I'm going to open here 15 pips above. I'm going to go 1 for 1, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, 1 hour, 1 hour 15, 1 hour and a half, 45, 2 hours, 2 hour 15 minutes, 30, 45, 3 hours, half, 45, 4 hours, bam, stopped out maybe, alright. Who can guess, everybody, what is the lesson today? Type in the chat, what do you think, you know, what is he trying to tell me? Why did we check the weekly chart and now we are on the 15-minute chart, you know? Everybody, what's the lesson in here? We won one, we lost one, absolutely. Can we not manage this trade? You are not going to manage. Make sense, everybody? You are, Shola, thank you for the question. If you are scalping candlestick formations and you manage the trade, you just mixed again apples with oranges. You are throwing pepperoni on the margarita. Make sense, everybody? Don't do this. Alright? Don't do this. Make sense, everybody? Sure. Scalping is nothing less than buying and selling candlestick formations on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 50 minute chart max. Okay? There is no trade management, there is no indicators, no moving averages, nothing. Candlestick formation works on any time frame and can be used in many ways. No, it cannot be used in many ways. You can use candlestick formation as a timing tool or as a tradable pattern, Ernesto. Okay, there is nothing more. We cannot trade like this. Broto, would you be more specific? We cannot trade like this? Scalping candles on lower time frames gives more opportunity than weekly. Do you think, right, everybody? Who in here thinks, oh, I'm going to go on the 15-minute chart and I'm going to make more money than the weekly? Right? So what is the lesson here, everybody? The expectation of time. Alright? The expectation of time. I use the weekly chart and the 15-minute chart on purpose. So more efficient on 1 minute, 5 minutes, 50 minutes. What do you mean efficient? That you're going to make more money? Everybody, one of the big lessons today is expectations. You are going to enter, just an example, you are going to enter a weekly candle, right? And then because the market is not going to go your way for 2 weeks, you know, you didn't lose, but you didn't win either, you know. Weekly chart first, you know, you are going to get impatient and you are going to close the trade. Daily chart too. You are going to do whatever on the daily chart, trading the Fibonacci is going to come, it's coming, the Fibonacci is coming, and then you are going to stay in the trade for 3 weeks on the daily chart. And you are going to get impatient and you are going to close the trade. And I just showed you that you might enter a 15-minute chart, scalping candlestick formations, and it took you 4 hours. It took the market 4 hours to stop you out. Make sense? You are on the 15-minute chart. The first trade was 45 minutes, and you won. You know, I won for 45 minutes. I won, and the next one you were expecting to happen it again. Maybe a winner, maybe a loser, but it took the market 4 hours. And you got impatient, and you messed with the trade, and you closed the trade. Alright? Scalping on the 15-minute with more and also lose more. Not making money, but time. We have highest probability of success in scalping by using candlestick formation? Do we have highest probability of success in scalping by using candlestick formation? Sure, I don't know. I don't know, everybody, make sense? I don't know. You want? So here is the question, right? Should I use candlestick formation? Should I scalp candlestick formations? Should I go on the 15-minute chart? Should I go on the daily chart? Should I go on the weekly chart? It's up to you. Make sense, everybody? It's up to you. Right? So this was the market stopping us out. Now next one, right? Just quickly, we're almost out of time. Here you have 15-minute chart. Bearish candlestick formation, 1, 2, 3, 1 for 1, 15 minutes, 30, bam, winner. Market went down, 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 retracement, retracement. Here you go again, you know, just maybe, you know, you go 1 for 1. So you won one, you lost one, you won the second one. There you go, almost, right? This is another candlestick for, so this is the bearish engulfing, you know. You go 1 for 1, bearish engulfing candle, you know, stopped you out in here, you know. Let's wait for another bearish candlestick formation. The market's moving up, up again, up, 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 up. Up again, 1, 2, 3. You know, what is this one, everybody? Is this? Now this is the easy one, right? Why? Because we are at the upward trend, at the down trend line. Agreed, everybody? I cannot trade candlestick formations without indicator and have to see the price in multiple time frame. Broto, looks like to me that you are talking about a strategy. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, do we agree, everybody, that this is the bearish dark cloud cover kind of bearish engulfing candle? Right? Yes, boss. Alright. So this is the stop loss. We go 1 for 1, close, and now 1, 2, winner again. So we lost 2, we won 3, right? Next one, 1, 2, 3. Everybody, this is a candlestick formation, right? Stop loss above in here, clone, 1 for 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how this is stopped out again, you know. Alright, one more. So winner, loser. This is a bearish engulfing candle. you know, and 1 for 1. Somebody just type, boss, I don't like scalping. You don't need to. You don't need to, make sense? I'm just showing you what some scalpers are doing. One, you know, this was a winner, alright? And so on, and so on, and so on, and so on. Clara, yes, we can short. Alright, everybody? Now, as Broto says, you know, I cannot read candlestick formation without indicators, and I have to see the price in multiple time frames. Alright? Boss, can we check the daily? Sure. What? Canada JPY daily chart, right? Canada JPY daily chart. Canada JPY daily chart, everybody. Canada JPY daily chart. Shorting the market today. Shorting the market. We are here, right? Canada JPY. So the market this was the daily chart. We were, you know, in an uptrend here. We learned about trend lines. This was another uptrend line, and then we had another uptrend line in here, and then we had another uptrend line in here. The market was speeding up, and finally the market broke our uptrend line, right? Okay, so bearish candlestick formations, you don't see the future, right? The market broke. So this would be one daily chart, you know. You short this candlestick formation 1 for 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4 winner. Wait for the next one if you want, you know. Maybe this one is 2 candlestick formation, and you went 1 for 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seeing here, everybody? Talking about days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 days. 16 days before the market hit your take profit. What would you do for 16 days when the market goes nowhere? What would you do? Because it's not uncommon, everybody, that you are waiting for 2 weeks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have 2 weeks of consolidation. And you lose patience and say, oh, I'm not going to play this game anymore. And then you close the trade with a small tiny profit. You close the trade with a small tiny profit. You broke risk reward management rule, and then Monday sideways and you are happy, you know, I knew it, this market's going nowhere. Tuesday the market went against you, you are happy as hell, you know. The market is not going anywhere, and Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you know, so 1 week it's over and you are happy, and the next Monday the market gave you all the profits. Boss, what are you trying to say? Align your expectations. Align your expectations with the time frame. I will adjust stop losses, Broto. Alright, everybody, align your expectations. And one last time, don't mix apples with bananas. Broto, hear me out. if you are in an uptrend, right, something like this, and you are trading candlestick formation as a pattern, you enter here, the stop loss is here, you know, and you go 1 for 1, and then you mess with the trade in any way, you are not trading candlestick formations anymore. Does this make sense to you, Broto? And everybody else? Buying and selling candlestick formations. There is no stop loss adjustment. There is no trade management. Alright? Boss, but if I buy the daily candle, then I can go on the 15-minute chart and I can cancel and replace the stop. You are not trading candlestick formations anymore. You are trading something different. Does this make sense to you? Yes, Broto, I think the same way that clubbing candlestick formation with other tools are like counter trend and break multiple. Everybody, you are, it's not wrong or right, but you are mixing apples with bananas. Make sense? You know? So I'm here on the daily, right? Where is the market right now? I'm here on the daily, right? Okay, so let's say that I entered in this bullish engulfing candle here and said, okay, I'm buying the market, this is my stop loss, you know, clone, and this is my take profit, right? So I bought that one, I bought that candle, okay, on the daily, you know, but then I went on the 1 hour chart. Then I went on the 1 hour chart. Alright, I went on the, so the daily candle was in here. Alright, this is the daily candle, or maybe this is the daily candle, 24 hours, you know, so this is 1 for 1, alright, but then I go on the, and then I go on the 1 hour chart, you know, and I'm seeing the market making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then I'm seeing lower low, lower high, lower low, you know, and maybe I'm seeing a lower high, you know, something like this. Give me a second. Something like this, and I get out, and I get out. This is wrong. Talking about trading candlestick formations. Oh boss, but the market's making lower lows, lower highs. Sure. So what? Oh, but the market is changing from the, hear me, listen to what I'm telling you. Boss, but the market is changing from the uptrend to the downtrend. True. But are you trading an uptrend or are you trading the downtrend? What are you trading? Boss, but there is a downtrend. There is a downtrend, but did you trade the uptrend? See, everybody, we tend to mix apples with bananas. Make sense? You can ask Clara, Julius, Chila, and the other advanced in the Forex course 202. How many times you have multiple patterns on the same chart? Make sense? Look for opportunities, understood boss, no adjustment on stop loss, still that position. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Tomorrow, what is today? Oh, not tomorrow, okay, see you back on Monday. This is our last class for the week. Have a happy weekend everybody. Until Monday, stay strong and trade for freedom, don't trade for money, trade for freedom.